This week's AI research points beyond agents that merely write code. Newer systems are learning what evidence to retrieve, how to reuse debugging procedures, and how to challenge their own assumptions. That matters because even a powerful model can fail when it opens the wrong files, forgets past repairs, or accepts a plausible but incorrect specification. Across systems using Qwen, GPT-5, Claude Code, Codex, and formal methods from Microsoft Research, the trend is clear. Agent performance is becoming a problem of memory, context, and verification, not just model scale. We'll see where these approaches find real bugs, where retrieval remains the bottleneck, and how much headroom remains. Let's explore the first paper, Agent Retrieval Bench Evaluating Repository Context Retrieval for Coding Agents. Agent Retrieval Bench, from Bowen Chin at the National University of Singapore and Yi Xie at Peking University, isolates a stage that conventional coding agent evaluations often hide, finding the repository files an agent needs before it edits. Its 427 sample benchmark spans 25 repositories and 4 workflow-grounded tasks: Code 2 test, Comment 2 context, Trace 2 code, and Edit 2 ripple plus natural and counterfactual no-gold cases evaluated on frozen prefix commits to prevent leakage. Across 345 positive samples, Qwen 3 embedding 4B achieves the best sample-weighted MRR at 0.2379. Qwen 3 embedding 8B leads. Recall at 20 at 0.7029, and Aider-style repo map leads budgeted context yield at 8K tokens with 0.3788. The task winners differ sharply. Repo map dominates Trace 2 code because failure traces often expose tests rather than root cause implementation files, while embeddings are stronger for other workflow signals. Reciprocal rank fusion of Qwen 3, 8B, and repo map improves MRR to 0.2713 and recall at 20 to 0.7331, demonstrating complementary semantic and structural signals. Logged OpenAI GPT-5. 4 mini strict context trajectories still miss every gold file on 35.2% of samples, while Codex CLI GPT-5, 4, and GPT-5 use roughly 6.2 and 6.5 context events per sample. In a 45-sample Codex GPT-5, 5-seed intervention pilot, RRF retrieval seeds reach final file F1 of 0.3967 versus 0.3437 for random context, but Oracle context reaches 0.6337, revealing substantial headroom. Selective abstention helps when wrong repository controls are included, yet fails on the 50 natural no-gold cases, showing that confidence calibration remains unsolved. Let's explore the second paper, Reusing Past Repairs Through Hierarchical Trajectory Abstraction for Coding Agents. Researchers from Concordia University's Spear Lab and Huawei Canada introduced STARE, a framework that lets coding agents reuse procedural knowledge from earlier repairs instead of treating every issue independently. STARE divides successful Lingxi repair trajectories into localization, planning, and execution and verification stages, then uses GPT-5 to organize each stage into a hierarchy ranging from repository-specific actions to transferable debugging strategies. For a new issue, similarity retrieval and an LLM relevance verifier select nodes across abstraction levels, while an LLM adapts them into executable, stage-specific plans. On the 500-instance SWE bench verified benchmark, STARE reaches 81.2%, pass at 1 with Minimax M2, 5 and 79.2% with GPT-5, outperforming same backbone baselines including Mini SWE Agent V2, which scores 75.8% with Minimax M2.5. The plans also transfer without code changes to Mini SWE Agent V2, raising pass at 1 to 81%, an absolute gain of 5.2%, while reducing average token use from 1,245K to 1,180K per instance. Ablations show why hierarchy matters. On a difficulty stratified 125 instance subset, the full system resolves 80%, compared with 57.6% for raw trajectories, a 22.4% drop. The results indicate that reusable repair knowledge must combine concrete actions, intermediate investigation strategies, and high-level principles, then be adapted to the target repository rather than pasted into an agent prompt as generic advice. Let's explore the third paper, Specula Scaling Formal Specifications for Autonomous Model Checking of System Code. Specula, developed by researchers from Nanjing University, the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign, Microsoft Research Asia, and the University of British Columbia, is a push-button agentic system for model checking real-world concurrent and distributed software. Using coding agents such as Claude Code, Codex, and Copilot CLI defaulting to Claude Opus 4, 8, it generates TLA plus invariants and implementation-level models, then combines TLC model checking with automated code instrumentation, trace validation, bidirectional repair, and self-evolving loops. This design addresses hallucinated specifications and reward hacking by requiring models to admit code traces while rejecting states that violate invariants. Across 48 open-source systems, including MongoDB, ScyllaDB, GCC libgomp, and Sonic, Specula found 249 bugs. 200 emerged through model checking, with breadth-first search finding 187 in a median counterexample length of 9 steps. On Sysmo Bench, Specula with Opus 4, 8 achieved 100% on syntax, runtime correctness, model code conformance, invariant satisfaction, and overall quality, while its controlled comparison found 62 bugs versus 2 for raw Claude Code and 3 for Claude Code equipped only with TLA Plus tools. The system reproduced 98% of violations judged to be real bugs, required a median of 3.69 hours per system, and had a median token cost of $57. The results show that autonomous formal reasoning can scale beyond handcrafted specifications, although it remains dependent on strong LLMs and does not provide complete guarantees against modeling omissions. That's a wrap on today's AI paper highlights. Thanks for watching.